As I'm recording this, it is current year, and you are today years old. As you look at the situation your country finds itself in, the economy, the mountains of debt, the unacceptable behavior of your fellow countrymen, the impending nuclear annihilation, the popularity of hentai and the prices in your local supermarket, you come to one indisputable conclusion. We're fucked. In Polish, mamy przejebane, or alternatively, jesteśmy w dupie. The etymology of the first phrase goes something like this. Mamy means we have, jebane means fucked, and prze means very or super. So it's literally, we have, as in our situation, super fucked? It may be worth reminding you that my education ended in high school, and etymologically speaking, I have no clue what the fuck I'm actually talking about. Let me try explaining the other one. Jesteśmy w dupie. We are in ass. Now isn't that a beautiful phrase? If you're brave enough, it might even work during orgies. Now that thing hanging over S in jesteśmy turns S sound into sh sound. Jesteśmy w dupie. In case you're interested, and I know you are, the base form of ass in Polish is dupa. For example, niezła dupa, nice ass. So in conclusion, to say we're fucked in Polish, I recommend the phrase jesteśmy w dupie. Disclaimer. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a social setting. You have the right to offend, be offended, and feel embarrassed afterwards. If you cannot afford to feel embarrassed, someone else will be embarrassed for you.